How to control PC from Android phone. In order to control the PC from Android phone, you'll have to download Chrome Remote Desktop on both of your devices. On your Android device, open the Play Store. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Make sure to install it. Once you install the Chrome Remote Desktop on your mobile device, make sure to install it on the PC too. The installation process is similar to any other extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Install the extension. Open it. You'll be able to find the option for download. Click on it. Follow through the prompts and it will be downloaded. On your PC, you'll also have to set up the pin. After you do all that, what you have to do is simply open the Chrome Remote Desktop on your phone. You can see over here it has been opened. You'll be able to see your PC name over here. Simply tap on it. Once you do that, wait for it to be connected. Enter the pin in order to continue. Now you can see over here your desktop is being shared. Whatever you do in the desktop, it will be shown on your mobile device. You can control it from your mobile itself. You can simply tap on your screen according to your choice. For example, I'm just going to tap on this drive icon. When I selected the option for drive on the mobile device, you can see over here it has been opened in the laptop too. You can perform any activities using your mobile device. Your mobile will act like a remote. At top, you can also find various options. If you tap on this icon, it will be full screen. Likewise, if you tap on the keyboard icon, you'll be able to see that keyboard has disappeared. Likewise, you can tap on the touch icon. After that, you'll be able to configure the touch input. Tap on the option of your choice. So simply go ahead and use your device like the remote. Like this, you'll be able to control PC from your phone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.